Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to make your iPhone screen flash for alerts. Thanks to a recent update, you can now make your iPhone screen flash for alerts. Even if your hearing is perfectly fine, having a visual cue for incoming alerts can be pretty handy, especially in quiet places like libraries where you don't want to cause a disturbance. Fortunately, iOS lets you enable both the display and the camera LED to flash for notifications, ensuring you will notice alerts no matter which side your iPhone is facing on a table. That's it. Let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, you have to choose the Accessibility option. Then you have to head over to the Hearing section and choose the Audio and Visual option. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap Flash for Alerts. Then you have to toggle on Flash for Alerts, and then you have to tap LED Flash Screen or both, depending on your needs. And that's about it. Note that the last menu includes toggle switches to ensure you can control whether the flash happens when your device is unlocked, as well as if it should flash when in silent mode. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily make your iPhone screen flash for alerts. It's a pretty simple yet effective way to ensure you never miss a notification, especially when sound isn't an option. Whether you are in a meeting, a library, or just prefer visual cues, this feature keeps you informed in a subtle and convenient way. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one.